Hey, I'm Alex, and today I've got the brand new Surface Laptop 5 from Microsoft. So we have the platinum color here. It's in the 13.5-inch, brand new in the box. There's 4 different colors with the Surface Laptop 5. You have platinum, sandstone, matte black, and the brand new sage color. All of them look excellent, incredibly stylish, and just a device you're going to love to use. So on the back, we have a few of the specs. You can see all of the specs on this laptop here. I believe we have the i5. Let's go ahead and open it up. Just get our little cutting tool. Oh, and you can actually see right here, I don't even need this. There's a little tab right here that makes it really easy to open. So you just pull on it, and let's go ahead and open it up. So right away, you can feel the box is made out of paper. I believe it's recycled as well. So it makes it nice, don't have to worry about throwing away a bunch of plastic. Let's go ahead and take the box off. But before we get to that, if you're liking this content so far, be sure to hit that like button. And if you want even more, hit the subscribe button. So I really like the pull tabs they've included. Normally you have to dig your fingers in on the side. This way it's easy just to pull and lift out. I'll set it to the side so we can see what else Microsoft has included in the box. Underneath the Surface Laptop 5, this is where everything is hidden. We have the manual, which I'll take out and set aside, and we have the Surface charger. Again, a nice little pull tab. Makes it easy to get out. And then we have the charger. You can see it's really well protected in there. The cable to plug into the wall. And one of my favorite neat tricks about the Surface charger, it actually has a USB port, which you can use to charge your phone, hotspot, battery, anything you'd usually plug into a laptop. You now have a port right there on the brick. And then the charging cable, the Surface Connect port, is magnetic. It attaches to the side of the Surface, and this built-in charger, this included charger, which is 65 watts, enables fast charging out of the box. So you can get up to 50% of your battery life in just under 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and get the laptop open. Now, this is a Surface Laptop 5. This is the first time that I'm seeing this as well. So it is pretty exciting to get this brand new laptop and be able to unbox it. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here we have it, the Surface Laptop 5. The first thing that you notice is just how sleek the entire package looks. We have the Microsoft logo front and center, and then on the sides, you can see we have that Surface Connect port I was talking about. Move over to the other side, we have our Thunderbolt 4 USB-C, Type A, as well as headphone jack. The whole thing feels really lightweight and solid, and as I'm looking at it, you don't really see, it's really minimalist. There's no exposed screws. I mean, the venting, yeah, you can see the venting on the back, but as a normal user, you would never notice this. It just looks like an incredibly solid and sleek laptop. Now, because of this laptop, this is always one of the things I look for now. How well does it open up with just one finger? And the Surface Laptop does it with ease. It's incredibly smooth and it's ready to go. So right as we open it, the Windows logo shows up. Remove the protective paper. Okay, now that we have it opened up, we've got the out-of-box experience. So this would walk you through getting set up, your Microsoft account, and getting started. But let's talk about hardware. So the first thing you see, you've got this great keyboard, which spans almost the full width of the laptop, but really unique on Surface Laptop 5 on the 13.5-inch model. You have an Alcantara fabric base. If you've never heard of Alcantara, you're gonna find this in luxury cars, luxury fabrics, It is a really premium feel to this laptop. And of course, at the bottom, you have a gesture-enabled trackpad, which makes it excellent to navigate within Windows 11, which of course, the Surface Laptop 5 comes with Windows 11. Next, let's talk screen. The first thing you're going to notice, this PixelSense touchscreen display, because yes, of course, it's touch. It looks great. It also has a unique aspect ratio, 3:2. That means it has more vertical screen real estate, making it easier to work on documents or just about anything side by side. It's great for being more productive on a laptop. And a big enhancement for the Surface Laptop 5, it now has Dolby Vision. So all of the details, colors, they all appear even better in your video content. And there you have it. This is the Surface Laptop 5. It's available in 4 unique colors. We have sandstone, platinum, matte black, and the brand new sage color. It's available in 2 different screen sizes, the 13.5 or the larger 15-inch. It's an elegant, ultra-thin, and blazing fast laptop. This is Surface Laptop 5. So if you like this video, hit the like button. And if you're looking for more videos on Surface Laptop 5, Surface Pro 9, or all things Microsoft, be sure to subscribe.